Hey guys, today we'll be looking at a continuation of the containers, the machine learning models that we have been running, and all the abilities we've just built around the Prescient designer to be able to work with ML models more easily, and especially like large scale models. The last time we saw about how you can keep track of a lot of things. These are just this is a demo setup, and an interesting new feature that we have added in is in case there's a portion of the pipeline which is out of the designer and prescient edge in general, you can keep track of that also now. And the metrics we are monitoring on that are the data freshness, the data completeness, and the data latency. This is in milliseconds. It does especially it does help make sure that everything is running fine, and on the inference end, and all the data pipeline feeding into it is also all right. um, these things evolve over time. uh, the model also loses its ability. You do need to keep refreshing the model from time to time. We have those features also coming in into this particular container, and it's pretty simple to use. It's more of since this becomes a part of the container itself. All you have to do is communicate with the web server, uh, receive data from it, and uh, you just output that data. It's as simple as that. Um, this is, I mean, the generic model of how you can uh, use it for interaction. Um, and overall, this is the entire ecosystem that we use for training and inference. You can have two different types of containers over here. You can also keep track of them using MLflow and stuff, which makes it very very easy to use. You can run different experiments through this, and this new portion allows you to keep a better look at the data pipeline health overall. Thank you.